Boys and girls, Mrs. Hanson here. Now we get to work on our map. And we have something a little bit new and different to work on. So you guys are going to need your My Math book, a pencil, and we need 4 different color crayons. You are going to need red, orange, green, and blue. So, My Math book, pencil, a red crayon, an orange crayon, a green crayon, and a blue crayon. All right, so if you guys need to pause it and get all those things, and then when you come back, you guys are going to need page 559, 560, 561, and 562. So this is what the front of your pages will look like, and then this is what the back of them will look out. So you just need those 2 pages ripped out of your book, lesson 4, sort by shape. So for our front activity, are you guys ready? So we're sorting them by shape. So we're not looking at color and we are not looking at size. So it doesn't matter what color they are or if they are smaller or bigger. We are only looking at their sizes. So for the front, it says use red cubes to sort 2 different shapes. So I have 2 different shapes here for us to use. What shape is this? The circle. And what's our other shape? A triangle. So right now, Mrs. Hanson has 1 circle and 1 triangle. So I want you to, in the red box right here, you're going to draw 1 circle. Just like this. This is where Mrs. Hanson needs to use a pen, because it doesn't show up really good. Okay, so I have my 1 circle. Then in the other box, in the blue box, you're going to draw 1 triangle, because that is how we are going to sort our shapes on the front. So we have 1 circle, 1 triangle, okay? So, okay, there's no way these are like flat, so I can't like show them, so this is kind of hard. So, next one I have, what is this shape? It's a circle, but it's smaller. Is it still the same shape? It is the same shape. So we are going to put it on our red side with our other circle. So I want you to draw another circle next to that circle, just like this. So right now I have 2 circles in my circle pile and only 1 triangle still. Next, what shape is this? It is a triangle. So does it go right with this circle or does it go with the bigger triangle? Does it make a difference if it's smaller? No, it doesn't make a difference. So we are going to put it on our blue side with our other triangle. So I want you to draw another triangle on that side. So we have 2 circles and 2 triangles so far. Okay. I have this guy. What is the shape? It is a triangle. So does it go in this, does it go with this shape or this shape? It does. It goes over here with the bigger triangle. It doesn't matter that it's smaller. Mrs. Hampton's nose is super itchy right now. So we're going to draw another triangle on the blue side. So now we have 3 triangles. Now I have 1 more shape. What shape is it? It is another circle. Does it go with this circle or does it go with the triangle? I mean, it is smaller. That doesn't matter if it's smaller? You're right. It doesn't matter because it's still the same shape, even if it's big, small, teeny, huge, still the same shape. So it's going to go over here with our circle. So for your front page, you should have 3 circles, and 3 triangles, because that's how we sorted them. We sorted our shapes, circle, and triangle. They were different sizes. They were all the same color, but we sorted them differently because of their shape. So now we're going to turn over to the back, and up here it says shape. So what are some shapes? We went over circle, triangle, we have squares, rectangles, rhombuses. Any more? Hearts, stars. Those are all different kinds of shapes. So what we are going to be doing for our next couple problems, it says, look at the shape in the bag. So see the shape in the bag. What is that shape? It is a rectangle. It has 2 longer equal sides and 2 shorter equal sides. And we're going to sort the shapes in the group. Trace the circles around the shapes that belong in the bag. So we are only circling rectangles. So for this one, it already did it for us. So we are just tracing the circles. So right now, trace those circles around those rectangles. See how they're different colors, they're different sizes, but it doesn't matter if they're different colors or different sizes. All that matters is that they're the same shape. So right here, we have all of our rectangles circled, and all of those rectangles will go in the bag because they are the same shape. It doesn't matter their size and it doesn't matter their color. So now, let's see if you guys can do it on your own. We have, what's that shape? A triangle. So your job, this is all you're doing. Look at the shapes right here, just for number 2. Circle all of the triangles. And down here, what shape is this? It's a square. So you are going to, in this area right here, circle all of the squares. All right, super easy peasy. So here, all the triangles, here, all the squares. Next, we have this page, which is 561. So we're going to be doing the same thing on our next page. We're going to sort the shapes in each group and circle the shapes that belong in the bag. So what is this guy? Circle. So up here, you're going to circle. You're going to circle all the circles. Doesn't matter what color they are, doesn't matter their size, as long as they're the same shape. You're going to circle all the circles up here. Number 5. What shape is that? It is a square. So you are going to circle all of the squares. It doesn't matter which way they are, doesn't matter their color, but they're the same shape. What's this guy? Is that still a triangle? It's upside down. So if I have a triangle like this and I flip it like that, is it still the same shape? It's still the same shape. It's just upside down. It doesn't change its shape at all. So we have a triangle. So I want you to circle all of the triangles. Triangles have 3 corners and 3 sides. So if these shapes have 3 corners and 3 sides, circle them. All right, and then we have our very last part, which is our back. And this is where you're going to need your red crayon, your orange crayon, your green crayon, and your blue crayon. So it says we are going to get all our crayons. So if you guys need to pause it and get those ready. Red, orange, green, blue. You are going to color your circles red. So color all of your circles red. You are going to color all of your rectangles orange. Remember, rectangles have 4 corners and 4 sides. 2 are longer and 2 are shorter. A circle has no corners and no sides. Then we have color all of your squares green. A square has all equal sides. So all the sides are the same length and there's 4 corners. And then last, we're going to color all of our triangles blue. So a triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Okay, circles red, rectangles orange, squares green, triangles blue. And then it says explain to a friend how you sorted the shapes. So you are going to tell whoever you're working with today why those are those shapes. So remember, Mrs. Hanson told you some clues. Circle has no sides. So you could see like, I colored this circle red because it doesn't have any sides. And then they'll be like, well, why did you color this shape blue? You'll be like, well, I colored the triangle blue because it has 3 corners and 3 sides. And you can count. Look, I have 1, 2, 3 corners and 1, 2, 3 sides. Same thing with our circle. There's no corners and no sides. It just goes around and around. So does that help? I hope so. I love talking about shapes, and we're going to talk a lot more about them in the next week or so. That's what we're going to be really focusing on is our different shapes and stuff. So I hope you guys had fun, and if you guys have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.